Okay, number one, if you made an error on number one, which was list the solution to the system, the solution is where two lines cross. So the ordered pair where they cross. So if I look at an example of one that is like number one, I have these two lines, the red line and the purple line. They cross right here. The ordered pair is over -2 up 3. So -2, 3 is the solution to this system. Number 2 said, find the solution to the system by graphing. So you had an equation y equals 1/2 x plus 2, and another equation of y equals 3x minus 3. An example like number 2, we'll graph y equals 1/3 x plus 3 first. Remember, here is where you start on the y-axis. That's your y-intercept. So I start at 3. My slope is 1/3. That means rise 1, run 3. And it's a positive slope, so it should be going upwards this way. Rise 1, run 3. Then go backwards. Down 1, backwards 3. Draw your line and be super accurate when you draw that line. Then the other line, y equals 2x minus 2. So I'm going to start at -2 on the y-axis, and the slope is 2, or 2/1. That means rise 2, run 1, and it's a positive slope. So from my y-intercept, rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, run 1, and go backwards. Down 2, backwards 1. And then draw your line. Okay, the place where they cross is your solution. So the ordered pair for this point is over 3, up 4. 3, 4. Number 3 said, is the point 2, -4 a solution to the system? So that's saying, do these two lines cross at 2, -4? An example like that one says, is the point 1, 1 a solution to the system? So if I go over 1, up 1, the answer would be no. Only one line is on 1, 1. The solution to this system would have to be right here at -1, 3. And number 4 said, is the point 3, 4 a solution to the system? So this is just saying when you plug in 3 for x and 4 for y, does it work in your equation? It's like checking your answer. So we'll do one that's similar to that. It says, is the point 0, -3 a solution? Meaning x is 0, y is -3. So anytime I see an x, I'm going to plug in a 0. Anytime I see a y, I'm going to plug in a -3. So this first equation is saying, if I take 12 times whatever x is, plus 2 times whatever y is, does it equal -6? So I'm going to try here. Well, 12 times x, which was 0, 12 times 0, plus 2 times whatever y was, -3. We'll see if that equals -6. 12 times 0 is 0, plus 2 times -3 is -6. 0 plus -6 equals -6. Is that what it was supposed to equal? Yes. So it worked for the first equation. The point 0, -3 was a solution. For the second equation, it's saying 2 times whatever x was plus 2 times whatever y was is supposed to equal 4. 2 times 0 plus 2 times -3. This is supposed to equal 4. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 2 times -3 is -6. 0 times -6 is -6. Does that equal 4? No, it does not. So because the ordered pair 0, -3 did not work for this equation, it is not a solution. Make sure that you show your work on this one. That's where most people had to go back and make some corrections.